What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test moisture meter for the firewood. A lot of times you cut firewood, you don't want to burn it right away because it might be wet. You want to stack it up and season it so that way the coals get really hot and heat up your house really well. Same thing, it probably would be good for camp firewood as well, but this is mostly for the house firewood. You pull this out, you have here two needles. Somehow it will measure the moisture of your wood, and the back over here it actually explains everything you need to know. Low moisture is 5 to 11%, medium 12 to 15, and high is 16 to 50. This looks perfect right here, and it just rained, so go put it in and hold. 39%, you see it says 3 drops. You don't want to burn that wet wood, it will be very inefficient. 31%, this is cool, you can change it. This is on wood right now. 30% not good. And all that wood was laying out, got rained on. 21 is bad on the dried spot. 16, this is really dense wood, that's not bad. Okay, this one was laying on top of the top. 16, so that's not good, it's wet. So when you purchase in firewood, you can test it if it has been seasoned or not, or if you sell firewood, you might want to have this tool to show people that it was seasoned. You see, if you put it in here, it's been wet part. 40, they said here 13, 15. Okay, let's go test it on a dry wood. This firewood is seasoned and I cut up the dead tree. It's been drying out here for at least 4 months. Okay, let's plug it in into that wood. 11.8%, that's it. What about this? 11.8, this is good. It says 5 to 11%, this is low moisture. This is high moisture because it was sticking out of the top. 9.8% because it's hidden a lot more. 10. So as you can see, it's really good. I love it. 9.6. And another example, this one was out 26. So you want to make sure you cover it up all the way. So the firewood has very low moisture and will burn really well. So if you ask me, this is pretty awesome. That will tell me if firewood ready to go, or should I just put it to the side and cover it up, not waste firewood because it will not be efficient. Turn it off. Very nice. Thumbs up for me, I really like this gadget. If you cut a lot of firewood, you probably will enjoy this too.